So this is Kia's luxury skincare, but a hair kit uniquely designed for hair strengthening and improving the texture of your hair. So over a period of time, if you have treated hair or if you have hair fall issue due to water or any other thing, uh, over a period of time the hair becomes very thin. And to tackle that issue, what we have done is we have created the entire hair care with prebiotics and moringa as the core ingredient, with couple of vitamins as well. So this is a moringa shampoo. The kit contains a bigger kit. So this particular kit for one person, it comes to up to 2 months minimum, 2 to 3 months ideally it will run to. So this is a moringa shampoo. The color that you see is because of the moringa extract that we make. Now the pH is well balanced and it helps in reducing the hair fall, giving the hair strength and giving you the volume over a period of time. Next is our conditioner with moringa oil as well. Again, this makes your hair very silky and stronger. Okay, so I wouldn't say it will completely stop your hair fall, but it will give strength to your hair, because here this is focusing on your scalp health. It is making sure your scalp is clean and proper pH is balanced. So it is quite acidic in nature, and this is very cationic. Basically, it is positively charged. So it is, working on the shaft. So conditioner should not be applied to the scalp. Okay. The next what we have is a hair mask. This is also with prebiotics, moringa and moringa oil and couple of other vitamins. Now this is to be applied once in 15 days. So you apply you wash your hair first, apply the hair mask the next day, leave it for 15-20 minutes and then wash your hair again. If required, you can use a little of shampoo. So what this does, this is like a protein pack. Okay, so this two are giving you daily cleansing. This is giving you monthly a protein pack. So continuous traveling, environmental damage. So what it does is, when it sits on the hair, it does adsorption. So basically, if you have a hair shaft, it will sit inside and then penetrate on the hair shaft and it will close the hair shaft. So now your hair is strengthened. So mine is also treated hair, but you can see the volume has increased over a period of time. You can't say, because mine is, I usually get a biotin treatment done. So it's like hair straightening, but it's not like straight. The strength of the hair increases. Sometimes, when you get treatment, when you do like this, you'll have like couple of strands here. But I don't have that issue because of using this kit. So it is ideal for all ages. If you have treated hair, then hair mask is a must.